You may apply dynamic filters to a report triggered when a user is viewing the report. Dynamic filters are triggered by reporting objects and by filter objects too. When more than one filter is applied, they would usually be compounded or joined by the logical AND operator. The AND operator is the default setting in the data source properties. Change the settings here if you prefer multiple filters to be joined by the logical OR operator. In previous tutorial videos, we have seen reporting objects such as pie, bar and line charts and some of their properties. In this tutorial video, we will look at how these reporting objects are used as dynamic filters and their properties that allow this to be possible. Reporting objects like the pie and bar charts have filter settings that determine how these objects will work as dynamic filters and how they will respond to other dynamic filters. The default settings for pie, bar and line charts is for them to set a dynamic filter and respond to a dynamic filter. We can see how this works by previewing the report. Clicking on a pie chart slice has initiated a filter applied to all three objects on the report. Clicking on a bar will add a further filter on top of the previous one because of the logical AND setting in the data source. Returning to the object properties, should you want a dynamic filter to override any previous filters, click the checkbox in the filter settings. Let's trigger the same dynamic filters as before, starting with the pie chart. We will follow that with the bar chart filter. We can now see that the bar chart filter has overridden the pie chart filter and shows all instances where the department is HR. That concludes the tutorial on dynamic filters.